Do you know where money comes from? We are going to dive deep into the history of money and how it evolved over time. We go back to the barter system. This was when people traded goods directly, for example grains for cattle. In 3000 BCE, commodity money was used. Certain valuable items were used as money. Items such as cattle, salt, shells, tea and grains were used. In 700 BCE, metal money and coins were used. This period of time is when first coins appeared in Lydia, modern Turkey. They were made from gold, silver and bronze. From the 7th–11th century, paper money was used. It was first used in China during the Tang and Song dynasties. They were lighter than coins and easier to carry. They later spread to the Middle East and Europe. Bank money and credit. Banks began issuing receipts, loans and credit. Merchants used checks and bills of exchange instead. The 19th and early 20th century, the gold standard was used. Paper money was backed by gold. Countries agreed on fixed values. Eventually, it was abandoned because it limited economic flexibility. Fiat money in the modern era. During this period, money has value because governments declared it a legal tender. It was controlled by central bank. The late 20th century to present, digital money is used. Debit cards, credit cards, online banking, mobile payments and digital wallets, cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, introduced decentralized digital money.